Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with styling and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Lexus ES 350 in white pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, dual exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch color display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5889.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.